Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Kawasaki Teryx 4-seater S model. We love these machines, and this one is going to Moab Cowboy Offroad. I'm here with Beverly. Beverly, what brought you to Big Pine?
Best deal in town, great people to work with. Why wouldn't you come here?
So you guys, you're Kawasaki strong down there right now.
Yep, an entire fleet of Kawasaki's.
What do you like about the Kawasaki?
It's a billy goat. It'll go anywhere.
Okay, and we're adding 2 more to the fleet, right?
Absolutely.
So what do you guys do down in Moab?
We give guided tours on any of the slick rock trails in Moab.
Perfect. Any of them?
Any of them.
Nice. If you guys have never been to Hell's Revenge, you've got to do Hell's Revenge, right? That's just one of those must-do tours. Put it on the bucket list. You have to get to Moab and run Hell's Revenge. So are people driving, or are you guiding them, or what's the situation?
So we've got different options. If someone is scared to drive, they can ride with me. However, our most popular is you drive yourself. I am in front of you. I teach you how to trust the machine, how to read trail signage, and teach you some local history and show you some dinosaur footprints.
I love the dinosaur footprints down there. Definitely cool. Let me guess, you pull out the bottle of water thing and do all that?
It's illegal to do the water now.
Oh, it is?
It is.
I learned something new today from Moab Cowboy Offroad. How do people find out more information if I want to book a tour?
Feel free to go online at moabcowboy.com or give us a call at 435-220-0746.
All right, and it's to be named. We don't know what the name of this one's going to be. And the second one right here, we're going to be paying attention to see what you end up naming these.
I'm telling you, I'm feeling Dolly on this one.
Feeling Dolly. All right, you guys have a great day, everybody. If you'd like more information about Moab Cowboy Offroad, it'll be posted up in the description below. And of course, you can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody.
Peace.